Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and I'm here to show you how the GCE-3 connects with Zoom Guitar Lab software. Guitar Lab lets you load effects and patches, edit your patches and effect parameters, and download patches from our creators. Begin with your GCE-3 disconnected from your computer. First, you will need to download and install the latest version of Guitar Lab. This can be found on the GCE-3 downloads page. Go to zoom-na.com, click on Support and Downloads, scroll down to Guitar, and select the GCE-3. Click on the link for Guitar Lab to download the installer. Run the installer to install the software. If you are using a Mac computer, there is no audio driver required. You can skip the following driver installation steps. If you are using a Windows computer, be sure to download and install the GCE-3 audio driver. It can be found on the same downloads page on our website. Once the driver is installed, you are ready to connect your GCE-3 to the computer. Connect the GCE-3 to your computer using the included USB Type-C to Type-A cable. The power indicator will light red when powered on, and green when connected to the computer. You can now connect your guitar or bass to the input jack and your headphones to the headphone jack. Open the Guitar Lab application to access your effects and patches. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see your currently selected circuit emulation. Click on the drop-down to reveal a list of other Zoom multi-effects pedals that you can choose to emulate. The selected model will determine the choice of effects and patches. In the Effects window, you can see a list of effects available on the currently selected emulation. Double-click on an effect to see its parameters. You can easily switch between patches in the Patch window. Selecting a patch will change it instantly on the GCE-3, allowing you to quickly preview your patches. You can also view descriptions of patches and edit by double-clicking on them. You can drag patches to and from the patch pool to change their patch slot, or to load a patch that you downloaded in Guitar Lab. Switch to the editor view to change the parameters for the effects in a patch, while monitoring your changes in real time through the GCE-3's built-in DSP processing. You can change effects, adjust parameters, copy and paste effect chains, and move between patches. Select Edit in the menu bar, then Device Settings to change settings specific to the GCE-3, like monitor balance and recording gain. Once you have your sounds dialed in, you can use the included Steinberg Cubase LE software or another digital audio workstation to record, mix, and master your tracks. For more information on the Zoom GCE-3, please go to zoom-na.com.